how to create WhatsApp business account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can actually create a WhatsApp business account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the WhatsApp application is different and the WhatsApp business application is also different because the WhatsApp business has a B logo. Now this app is available on your Play Store. Now it's not anything such a hassle to create a WhatsApp business account. All you have to do is just sign up with the phone number that you prefer, just like how you use WhatsApp. So you can open up WhatsApp business over here, and once you've done that you can just tap on agree and continue. Tap on, you can use this number or you can also choose to use a different number, by the way. So go ahead and then make sure to enter the number for your WhatsApp business account. Tap the next option, and of course it's going to send a verification code to this phone number. So just tap on the continue option, tap on allow, and it will send a verification code. Your phone is going to detect that if it has automatic verification detection process, and after it's done it will get automatically verified and your WhatsApp business account will get successfully created. And this way you can just create your WhatsApp business account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then of course feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.